How to fix ChatGPT chat history missing. Now to see your chat history, simply tap on the horizontal bar or menu, and at the end you'll see recent. So this will be your chat history. Now if you are not seeing your chat history, what you can do is a simple refresh can resync your account with OpenAI server. So simply try to log out and log back in. To do that, tap on the menu icon and tap on your profile, and at the very end you'll find logout option. Now simply tap on logout and you will be logged out. And also, chats aren't always deleted when they vanish, they might just be archived. So simply go to your profile after logging in again, and at the end tap on your profile and simply tap on your settings. Then simply scroll sideways until you find your data controls, and here under share link you will find archive chats. Simply tap on manage. From here you will be able to restore your archive chats if you have any, and simply close it. Now get back. Sometimes corrupted local data is one of the most reasons your chat history fails to display correctly, so you might want to clear browser keys and cookies. Simply hold on to the browser that you are using and tap on the app info icon right over here. Now scroll down to the storage section, and at the end you'll find clear cache option. Simply tap on clear cache, and now head back and tap on force stop at the end and tap on OK, and that's it guys. Now close all the application from the menu and try relaunching your ChatGPT. And in this way you can easily fix ChatGPT chat history missing. If the video helped, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.